Worksheet 8 for class 9th. The question number 1 is factorization. Factorize the following. Okay, there are 5 factorization. Okay, factorize by using identities. The first one is x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4. So we can use the identity a square minus b square, which is equal to the a minus b and a plus b. Okay, this is the identity. Now x raised to power 4 is a square of x square and y raised to power 4 is a square of y square. Okay, so we can write x square minus y square. This is the a and b. A square minus b square. This is a minus b and a plus b. Okay, again use same identity a square minus b square, yani x minus y, x plus y and x square plus y square. Okay, now the second factorization is a cube minus a. First take common a, we get a square minus 1. So we can use a square minus 1 square. We can write a square minus 1 square. Using the same identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. We get here a minus 1 and a plus 1. Write here the identity a square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b. Okay. Now the third one is a raised to power 4 minus 4 upon a raised to power 4. Same identity. A raised to power 4 is a square of a square and this one is 2 upon a square whole square. So we can write a square minus 2 upon a square and a square plus 2 upon a square. Again a square minus b square. This is a square of a. Okay, minus this is root 2 upon a. The square of root 2 is 2. So we can write 2 root 2 whole square upon a square. And the positive a square plus 2 upon a square. Factorize by a minus b and a plus b. So a minus root 2 upon a plus root 2 upon a. This is the factorization of a square minus 2 by a square. And positive term a square plus 2 upon a square. Okay. The next factorization is a square minus b square plus 4b minus 4. Okay. So this is the square of a. Then take minus common in this. We get b square minus 4b plus 4. Okay. So this is a square of a minus and this is a square of b minus 2 whole square. By using the identity a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means b square minus 2 into 2b plus 2 square. Again use the identity a minus b and a plus b. The first a minus b minus 2. And the second bracket a plus b minus 2. One time add and subtract. The final factorization a minus b plus 2 and a plus b minus 2. Okay. The fifth one 2x raised to power 5 minus 32x. Take 2x common. We get x raised to power 4 minus 16. Okay. 2x. Again using the identity a square minus b square. This is a square of x square and this is 4. Factorize a square minus b and a square plus b. A minus b and a plus b, not the x square minus 4, x square plus 4. Again we can use x square and this is a square of 2. next 2x, x minus 2, x plus 2 and x square plus 4. Question number 2, ABCD is a rhombus. Find the values of x and y and also find all the angles of the rhombus. This is the figure of rhombus ABCD. Okay. In the figure, ABCD is a rhombus given. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. And angle ADC equal to 120 degree. Okay. Now find the x. Then angle DCB. DCB means this angle equal to 2 times angle BCA. The reason is this: the diagonals bisects the angles in rhombus. Diagonals bisects the angles in rhombus. It means this angle also equal to x. Both are equal to let 2x. It is equal to the 2x. Now angle D plus angle C equal to 180 degree. The interior angles in the same side of transversal. The sum of interior angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, the interior angles on the same side of transversal. Equal to the 180 degree. The angle D is 120 degree. Angle C is 2x, 180 degree. 2x equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. And x equal to 60 by 2. It is equal to the 30 degree. Okay. And find the y. So x equal to y, alternate angles. Okay. The AD line parallel to BC. X equal to y, alternate angles of parallel lines AD and BC, parallel lines AD and BC. Therefore y is also equal to 30 degree. Okay, y equal to 30 degree. The question number 3, O is the center of the circle, find the value of x. This is the figure. O is the center of the circle, find the value of x. This angle equal to 40 degree. So this will also equal to 40 and find this angle. This is the figure. Okay. So find the value of x. So we know that the angle formed by the same arc is equal to the angle PRS equal to PQS. Angle PRS equal to PQS. Okay. Angle formed by same arc. Angle formed by same arc. Okay. Equal to x. Both are equal to x. Now OP equal to OR. Okay, equal radii. OP equal to OR. Therefore, triangle OPR is an isosceles triangle. If two sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. Triangle. Okay. If two sides are equal, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle OPR equal to angle ORP. OPR equal to angle ORP and angle ORP we can write SPR. What is the SPR? या PRS. Okay. PRS. The angle OPR equal to 40 degree. Angle OPR equal to 40 degree given. Therefore, angle PRS equal to 40 degree. This means x equal to 40 degree. This angle equal to x, therefore x equal to 40 degree. Okay. Construct an angle of 52.5 degree. Question number 4 is construction. 52.5 degree means 52.5 degree. Okay. So multiply by 2, it is equal to the 105. So we can construct angle 105 and bisect. 105 bisect means divide by 2. So how will you construct? First, draw a line and make an arc. The same equal radii arc cut angle 60 degree and for 120 degree. From here cut equal to 90 degree. From these 2 points, okay, cut equal arc from this point and this point. So we get angle 105. Now bisect angle 105 from this point and this point. This point cut an arc, equal arc from both sides and join this. This angle is equal to the 52.5 degree. Okay. Now see the construction. Question number 5. The circumference of the base of a cone is 220 by 7 centimeter and its slant height is 13 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. The circumference of the base equal to 220 by 7 centimeter. Okay. It means 2 pi r equal to 220 by 7. Okay. Now put the values 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 220 by 7. Cross multiply 220 into 7 and the 7 into 2 into 22. Now cancel. This will equal to the 10 times and by 2 5. Radius is 5 centimeter and slant height is given that 13. L equal to 13 centimeter given. Find height by the formula L square equal to h square plus r square. Then h square equal to 13 square minus 5 square. 144. Therefore, height equal to root 144 means 12 centimeter. And find the volume. The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, r is 5, 5 and h is 12. Now cancel by 3, 4. Now multiply. 5 into 5, 25 into 4, 100. 2200 by 7 cubic centimeter. So divide by and get the 314.28 cubic centimeter approx. Okay. This is the volume of cone. Next question and last from the probability. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random will be contain 53 Sundays. Okay, in a leap year 53 Sundays. The number of days in a leap year, days in a leap year equal to 366. 2 days extras. 2 days extra. Okay. So now the 2 days will be Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday combination is like this: Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday and Sunday to Monday. These 2 days could be a 7 combination. Overall 7. Yani total outcomes equal to 7. Now the Tuesday. Favorable outcomes. Tuesday कितने दिन आ सकता है? Okay. तो Tuesday कितने दिन में आ रहा है? 2 days. First, second. The favorable outcomes are 2. Now the probability of getting Tuesdays equal to 2 by 7. Okay, in a leap year the probability of getting a Tuesday equal to 2 by 7.